In this video session, we'll learn about choose function. So if you see this choose function, it says choose a value or action to perform from a list of values based on the index number. So there is an index number, and based on that some values are selected. So if you see, we write choose. So the first parameter is the index number, and based on that the values will be selected. So you can write values, value 1, value 2, etc., as many values as you want, and it will decide the value based on the index number that you have selected. Let's say suppose index number we are going to take from here dynamically from D2, and the values we are putting are, let's say, A1, B1, C1, D1. Only 4 values we have taken, and press enter. See, if there is no index number, then you get an error hash value. If you enter 1 as the index number, it has given me A1. Why it has given me A1? Because these were the values, and A1 is coming in the sequence number 1. If I give here 3, then C1 should come. So let's see, if I give here 3, C1 should come. If I give here 4, D1 should come. If I give here 5, it will give a value error because there is no value which is available at number 5. So this is the idea. Okay, so now where all we can use this choose function to select from a list. So here I can replace this with data validation, and I can replace. So wherever you have a list, and based on the list you want to select the values, you should use choose function, right? So it means that the activities. Another way I can say is, let's say suppose I can write Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So if you select here 2, it will be Q2. If you select here 4, it will be Q4, right? So you are choosing a value index based on these values based on the index, right? I have a very interesting data over here, and we'll see how we can use the choose function. So let's say date. Now we want to write a date of, let's say suppose 2nd February 2019. Now I want to know the 2nd February. I know that it is falling in February, but I want to know in which quarter it is falling. Whether it is falling in Q1, as per USA it is Q1, as per India it is Q4. So in India we say our financial starts from April to March. So February is in the last quarter, but as per USA it is the first quarter. So if I want to print here which quarter, let's say suppose Jan is first quarter, print here what is the quarter. So how I will write? What we have to do? First we have to get the month from here. So best is first you get the month. So I have got the month as second month. Now I know when it is second month, when January is the first quarter, the sequence is like this. January is first, February is first, March is first. Then April is second, May is second, June 2nd, July 3rd, August 3rd, September 3rd, October 4th, November 4th, December 4th. Right? So this is the sequence that I have. So what I will do is, I will use here choose, and I will copy this. I will choose, I will have this index, and I will put this value. Okay. So see, it has given me 1 quarter. Now I will copy the date and all this formula here. So date also I will copy, and I will select different months, and you see here what will happen. Here I have selected, let's say 4th, that is April, and let's change the date format also. So date format, I can go and I can write this. Okay, so this is April, and here I am selecting, let's say suppose July. So this is 7th, 3rd quarter. Here I am selecting, let's say December. So it is 4th quarter. So you got the idea, right? So if January is first quarter, this is how you will select. But here we have month, so we will replace this E7 with month over here, and directly use the formula. This is not required. what happens if January is not the first quarter but April is the first quarter? What change will happen? The change will happen will be this. So April will be first, July will be second, October will be third, and January will be fourth quarter. So you have to start like this: 4 4 4. Then you have to start. April is first, May, June, then 2 2 2 3 3 3. This will work. So let's copy this and we will write the choose function. Directly we can write month, refer this and copy paste. So see, if April is the first quarter, February is in fourth quarter, and we drag it down. 2nd April first quarter, July second quarter, December third quarter. Like that way you can use this choose function to decide on the quarters. But here it is printing only 4 etc. I would want it to print, let's say, Q also. So what you can do is, it's very simple. You can concatenate Q here. You can concatenate and double click. Same way here you can concatenate Q using the ampersand, and it works. Right? Now if you want to print the year, that also you can do by using the year function. However, it is slightly complex, so I am not covering it in this course, but you should try to think of printing the years also. Why I am saying is that when you have this 2002 February, so it will be Q4 19. Okay, so it will be Q1 19. Like that you can print it. You have to try and see how it can be done. Okay, thank you.